Hello, ma'am and sir in Hong Kong. I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Catherine Calibara, 45 years old, married, but no children. I'm graduate college and I came from Iloilo, Philippines. I had experience in three countries, Kuwait, Malaysia, and Brunei. First in Kuwait, I worked in 3 years and 6 months, one couple and four children. My duties responsibility are cleaning the house, cooking, prepare the food, ironing, washing the clothes, gardening, and washing the car. Second, in Malaysia, I work in 2 years contract, one couple and three children, 22, 20, and 10 years old daughter. My duties responsibility are cleaning the house, cooking, take care of the 10 years old daughter, ironing, washing the clothes, marketing, feed the dog, and washing the car. Third, in Brunei, I work in 2 years contract also, one couple and two children, 16 and 14 years old daughter. My duties responsibility are cleaning the house, cooking, prepare the food, washing the clothes, ironing, gardening, marketing, and washing the car. Ma'am, sir, please choose me, and I promise to you I will treat your children as my own. And I promise to you I do my work or my duties and responsibility in your family. Thank you and God bless.